Hey guys, happy Sunday. So today I am going to do a cleaning reset of the bathroom and my son's room. Kitchen, living room, and dining room are pretty good. I've been doing some deep cleaning in those areas, so I think we're okay for today. But moving on to my son's room, which, he does his cleaning, his own cleaning. However, as a mama, I like to have things a little bit more cleaned up and the way I like it. And then I want to do a quick cleanup of the bathroom because that always needs some love. Let's go. So we're going to start off today with my son's room. As you guys can tell, it is very, very, very messy with toys and snacks all over the place. So we're gonna go ahead and start with this room. Guys, look. So he put stickers and like taking them off, and apparently he put stickers on top of what he wrote, his name, because he knew he wasn't supposed to write on furniture. I don't know what it is, but the toys and the toy box just keep on growing, and I have to take some time to actually go through all of these toys and take out the toys that he no longer uses. But of course I have to do that when he is not around, because as we all know with kids, they need everything. So at some point soon, I'm gonna have to get those toys and donate. Next, we are going to work on the bathroom. I don't know about you guys, but I have boys in the house, and for some reason, it always smells like a urinal. It drives me insane. Those of you that have boys, you guys, I'm sure, understand, but the bathroom for me is a non-negotiable and has to be cleaned throughout the week consistently, because if not, oh my goodness. Let me know in the comments if you guys are the same. So if you guys have made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if you're new here.